formal notice na...
There's no notice yet, none, since yesterday. I know that they have one there, si Senator Marcoleta, but I don't know if he's coming down. We would appreciate if he would come down, but the problem is may presiding officer ba?
So nasa na yung supposedly o yung nililigawan na dalawa para lumipat sa inyo? Para at least
Baka binasted.
binasted. So wala nang chance.
Binasted, di ba? Dahil nililigawan daw dalawa, pag hindi mo type, busted.
So, are you still hoping, sir, na magka-leadership change?
At least until tomorrow.
Hope for the best.
Anong nakikita nyo, bakit nila ginagawa ito sa majority?
Boycott na, yesterday, mali na pa. Real talk lang tayo. Nagalit sila dahil hinuli si Senator Changoy. Inisa-isa daw sila.
Possible din kaya, sir, to prevent any leadership change or changes in committee
No,
chairman?
isa sa mga reasons nila yan para walang leadership change. Kasi right now, 11-11 kami pareho.
Pero kahit kung 11-11, hindi nyo pa rin naman po mapapalitan yung leadership, di ba?
Exactly.
So,
diba,
ano worry?
malay mo, baka pagbaba dito nung dalawa sa kanya na gumulong-gulong sa dana na bagong isip. Yung isa nalundag.
Thank you po.
Oo.
Thank you.